If you got sub pump issues and you landed on this video, you're going to be happy you did. Right, if you're having sub pump issues, this is a video you're going to want to see. I'm going to go over some quick things with you guys just to let you guys know what's going on with your sub pump. If your sub pump is broken, do not call a repair guy. You're going to waste hundreds and hundreds of dollars for nothing. Okay? First of all, you're going to look at your sub pump. If your sump pump is not powering on and it's broken and say it's burned out or something, just go to the hardware store, order a sub pump, take pictures of yours. They will help you find the correct one that will go into your unit. These cost about $100 to $150 and you can do it yourself. It's not hard. If you got PVC pipe and you have one that's, the reason I'm telling you take a picture is because there's different types of sub pumps. Like I got one sitting here, an extra one that I bought for like 20 bucks at a yard sale, works great. And this one is going straight up. It's got a rubber thing on it to attach to go straight up. Now, if I wanted to attach this, all I would have to do is simply cut my other pipe here, which you guys can do with a little saw or something, a coping saw. And what I've bought for $2 from the hardware store, and you can read what size you need here on the side. Where did I see it? I saw 1 1/2 somewhere. Oh, right here. It says 1 1/2. Take that with you, that measurement. Tell them you want an attachment for 1 1/2. Get some rubber cement. Cut this. You got a 45-degree angle right here. And when I cut that, what you're going to do is measure your new one. If you need piping and all that, this is a really simple job. Don't get scared. Take a measurement of where you cut it at and install the 45-degree. All you need is a little bit of rubber cement in here. Shove that on there. Cut this one right here and put that one on there. That's how simple it is. But other things, my sub pump just went out on me. A good thing to get right here is a little alarm, and these are about 13 bucks. And I placed this on the floor, and I went the extra mile because my kids knock it down. It's got 2 metal prongs. As soon as the water overflows on the floor on these 2 contacts, and I'll show you what happens. I just got my fingers wet. It whistles, letting you know upstairs that you now have a sub pump issue. Now, you see all this dirt in this bucket? This is probably why my sub pump jammed. The rocks and dirt in there, and what I've done is put a bucket here, took a bag, put my hand in the bag, and I'm cleaning out all the muck of like 15 or 20 years of buildup coming out here, and the sub pump was sucking it up. It probably got all jammed and it couldn't suck the water out. So guess what happened? My sub pump burned out, but that's fine. I'm gonna fix that. Now, if your float is bad right here, see how you lift this up and your sub pump works? These actually are replaceable. You can get them for about 20 bucks, but if you're not that handy, I don't recommend it. You can unscrew this, see what it looks like. You can take it with you to the hardware store. I actually bought a new one of these on eBay because this one tends to keep jamming. So that was about, I think I found one for 20 bucks, shipped to my door. And it got 3 little pinholes there, and you screw it in. Real easy to install if you're pretty handy. But I recommend this to everybody who's got a sub pump issue. If you're replacing your pump, clean out the bottom of the tray. Inside of it, I got rocks and buildup and all kinds of stuff. I mean, look at this buildup. All this can jam up into your sub pump. So just a few things I'm going over, but like I said, if you need to replace your sub pump, don't call somebody. This is a joke. I hear about people with their sub pumps breaking and calling maintenance people to come fix it and getting a bill for 800 bucks. Guys, it's 150 bucks. You can do it yourself. It's really simple. So hope this video helps you guys out. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up.